So the hub assembly is pulled apart. The caliper is wired up just so it doesn't hang and pull tension on the line there. The bearing surfaces look good. In fact, the bearings and dust seals are in really good shape. Here's the tang that broke off of the outer round nut retention ring. I've got to replace one of the Allen heads there. It was screwed in so tight. There's a little bit of damage done to the thread, so I'm going to replace that. The bearing surfaces look good. The shaft bearing surface looks all good. I'm just waiting for the tool to tighten this back up when I put it back on, and I'll grease it up and get it back together. I'm checking the other side and resetting the bearings on the 3 other wheels as well, as there was a little play on the left front after I had it off the ground, just a tiny amount, but it needs to be reset as well.